Yesidi afanentuma pefra wo Technical Institute wo wa Mensinemu wo Upper West Region ni nyare se osuani a kakakra bi na wawie school afiri ho no wone ne housemaster de abo ani ama housemaster nyame pe ne bem nke ne wo se nani kura e de ne baaye Adom TV Kasee etwaso.
Yesterday around 10 o'clock I was in my office when I had a call from one of my master saying that a student had hit a stone in their master. So I had to stop whatever I'm doing in the office just to try to see what was happening. So when I got to the scene, I saw blood oozing from the teacher's eye. And the student was also there. So quickly, because it was a criminal issue, I asked them to send the student to the police and then the teacher to also go to medical attention. So later on, I wanted to find out what actually transpired. The teacher concerned is a housemaster. Their duty is to ensure that all students leave dormitories to go to class. I told the teacher, he go to the dormitory and this student were wearing improper. He asked you to go and change and go to class. The student was resisting. He asked you to go and change. But the student said, teacher, I don't know what you are doing. I'm writing my final exams. The teacher said, so what? Go and change. In the process, the student picked a stone from the ground and hit the teacher's eye. That's what the teacher told me. So we have picked them to the police station.
Around 10:30 a.m. I moved to my house to do my housemaster's duty, and I met one of my students there wearing improper. So I approached him and then asked him to go and change and be like a normal student. That was all that transpired. And he agreed to go in the change. After entering the yard, he was resistant to do what I asked him to do. So I just held the shirt and asked him to hurry and don't waste my time here. And all that came from his mouth. Master, what do I do? I don't like it. I said, what did I do? I only asked you to go and change the improper and wear the uniform. That's all. Then we were walking on the pavement blocks. Then he went down there on paved floor. I never knew that was his intention. So all that I could realize was he just bent down and got up and once and used a stone.